In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Joomla or Drupal using Soft Aculous in cPanel. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along even if this is your first time working inside cPanel. Soft Aculous is a one-click app installer that makes setting up a content management system much easier because it handles most of the technical setup for you behind the scenes. To begin, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, look for the Softaculous Apps installer and click on it. Depending on your hosting provider, the layout may look slightly different, but the Softaculous icon or label is usually easy to spot in the main dashboard area. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to scan through the available tools. After Softaculous opens, go to the search bar in the top left corner and type in either Joomla or Drupal, depending on which platform you want to install. As soon as the result appears, click on the name of the application to open its installation page. This page typically includes a short description of the software, along with options for installation and version details. Next, click the Install Now button. This will take you to the setup form, where you'll enter the key information for your new website. First, choose the domain where you want the site to be installed. Make sure you select the correct domain if your hosting account manages more than one. Then, enter your site name. This is the title of your website and can usually be changed later from within Joomla or Drupal, so don't worry if it's not perfect yet. After that, create your admin username and admin password. These details are important because they'll be used to log into your website's admin area after installation. Choose a strong password that is difficult to guess and store it somewhere secure so you don't lose access later. Once everything looks correct, click Install. Softaculous will then begin the installation process automatically. This usually only takes a short time. When it's finished, you should see a confirmation screen with links to your website and the admin login page. At that point, your Joomla or Drupal site is successfully installed and ready for the next stage of setup. From there, you can start customizing your site, choosing themes, and adding content. Just make sure you save your login details securely before closing the page, especially if you plan to come back later and continue building your